Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make street style egg rice. To make this, in a pan add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 sliced onions and saute it for 2 minutes, and then add 3 green chilies and saute it until the onions are cooked nicely. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it until the raw smell goes. Once it is done, add 1 sliced tomatoes and saute it until the tomatoes are mushy, and now add all the dry masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and garam masala, and mix everything nicely until the masalas are nicely cooked. You can add some water and saute the masalas. Once the masalas are cooked well, I am adding here 4 eggs and allowing it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, fry the eggs on high flame until you get the burji consistency. Once the eggs are fried nicely, add the cooked rice and mix everything until the rice is coated with the masalas. And then garnish with the coriander rice, and here is street style egg rice ready to serve. Enjoy it with some onions and ketchup. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.